Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Chiwengozi Ezekiel and some people do call me Chiwen. Alright, so in this video today, I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how you can post Instagram stories on your Instagram account. Because I know that this has been a very difficult something for many people, posting Instagram stories on the Instagram account using their PC. So in this video today, I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how to post Instagram stories on your Instagram account using your PC or Mac. If this is your first time of seeing me or your first time of visiting my channel, subscribe to my channel right now by hitting on the subscribe button below. Then turn the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime I release an update like this one you're about to watch right now. And if you're a returning subscriber, I thank you for coming back to check what I have on my channel. Please watch this video from beginning to the end. Don't skip any parts. If you skip any part, the part you skip might be the one to help you out. So please watch this video from beginning to the end because I don't want you to miss anything. Alright, so in this video today, I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how to post Instagram stories on your Instagram account using your PC. Stay here with me. Let me go to my screen to show you how. Alright guys, welcome back. Like I said that I will show you step-by-step guide on how you can post Instagram stories on your Instagram account using your PC or laptop. Okay, let me show you how. First of all, go to instagram.com, then log into your account. Here is my account. Okay, if you check very well, you see that there is no way you can post your stories on your Instagram account. Okay, but if you're using mobile phone, you see the option to post your stories, but here there is no option like that. Okay, but don't worry, I'm going to show you. Okay, now the first thing you have to do is to log into your Instagram account like I've logged mine in. So what I'll do now is to right click on this page here. This is my dashboard, so I will do what? Right click. Okay, then you see this view page source, inspect. So click on inspect. Alright, so you see this code. So just come here now, here, then click it, then select any phone you like. This iPhone 5 SE, this iPhone 6, 7, 8 Plus, or this 6, 7, 8. So I can choose this iPhone 6, 7, 8. Okay, then after choosing it, refresh this page. Click here to refresh. Alright, can you see the option here where you have to post your story? This plus icon, click on it. Okay, so I will select what I want to post on my Instagram account. Alright, I will select my picture, this one here, then click open. Then I'll click next. Now I'll write the caption I want to post on this story. Okay, alright. Learn how to post stories on your Instagram account. The video that will show you how to do that will be published soon. Kindly watch the video to know how to post stories on your Instagram account. Okay, so after that I'll now click share. All right, you can tag people. I'll click here, then I'll search for someone here. I'll tag this person. So after that, I'll click done. Then for me to publish this story now, I'll click on share. Make sure you watch this video from the very beginning to the end so that you understand how to do that. Your photo was posted. Cool. So guys, this is how you can publish your stories on Instagram using your PC. The stories has been published. Now check out the story here. Look at it. This is the picture. Okay, see it here. If I click more, so this is it. Learn how to post stories on your Instagram account. The video that will show you how to do that will be published soon. Kindly watch the video to know how to post stories on your Instagram account. So guys, this is how you can post stories on your Instagram account. If you find this video helpful, kindly go to the comment section and comment "I love this video" and give me a thumbs up. And please share this video to your loved ones, to your friends, to your family, so that they will know how to do that. Your friends that are using Instagram, share this video to them so that they will know how to post stories on their Instagram account using their PC or Mac. And please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe now by hitting on the subscribe button below. Then smash on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime I release an update like this one you have watched right now. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, please. On my next video, I'm going to show you how to make money, okay, online from your Instagram account. Just following an Instagram account, I'm going to show you how you can make money using your PC or your smartphone. Okay, thank you for watching this video. See you on my next tutorial. Bye bye.